welcome peckish friends to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Welcome friends, it's a very exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. We've set up a brand new oven. Today, we're going to make mini pizza bagels. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Here's our bagel. Here's some tomato sauce, some cheese, and some other toppings. Here I'm using basil. Okay, first we're gonna put some tomato sauce onto the bagel. Now we're gonna put some cheese on the top. And now our topping. Okay. Now let's pop this guy inside the oven. See how this looks. Ooh.
Hooray!
Okay guys, I can make one mini pizza bagel at a time.
Oh!
There you have it guys, mini pizza bagel success. Join us next time and we'll make some more small treats that fit in this oven.